Let us continue the slides now. Look at the next example. So draw the graph to the following equations. So three solutions are given here. So they are asking to form, or they are asking to draw the graph, okay, in the graph sheet. So how can we draw the graph of the linear equation, okay, in the graph sheet? So first we have to find out at least two solutions, right, in each of the equations, and plot the solution in the graph sheet and connect them with a line. So that's all. Okay, that is a procedure to draw the graph of a linear equation. Okay, so the form of a linear equation is nothing but always a straight line, right? So look at the solution now. So example here, first one. Okay, it's a solution now. First example. So minus x plus 2y equal to 5. So what is the procedure means? First we have to find out at least two solutions. How many solutions are linear equation having? So many solutions. It's infinite number of solutions, right? But for drawing a graph, it is enough to find out at least two solutions. That is minimum two solutions we need. I'm going to find out two solutions now for the given equation. Okay, and then I'm going to plot the solution in the graph sheet, and then I'm going to connect the points in the graph sheet. Okay, so first to find two solutions of this equation now. How can you find? So now I'm going to take any values for x first, and then you can find the value of y here. Okay, now let x equal to 0. I'm going to take x equal to 0 here. Okay, so what will happen here? So now this will become minus 0 plus 2y equal to 5. So minus 0 means 0 only. So 2y equal to 5. Therefore, what is y now? So y equal to 5. So 2 is in multiplication with y. So when we transpose to that side, it will become division. So divided by 2. So y equal to, so when we divide 5 by the number 2, so we'll get 2.5. Right? 2 2s are 4, remainder 1, 5 2s are 10. So y value 2.5. Now what is the solution here? So x equal to 0. When you substitute x equal to 0, we got y value as 2.5. So that is one of the solution. Next I need one more solution for plotting the graph. Okay, so I'm going to take y equal to 0 now. So if you put y equal to 0 means what will happen? So let y equal to 0. So here, so this will become now, so minus x plus 2 into y value is 0, so equal to 5. So minus x, so 2 into anything, that is 0 into any number, 0 only. So 2 into 0, 0 equal to 5. Therefore minus x equal to 5. Therefore what is x now? So x equal to, so just bring it minus that side, that will become minus 5 again. Okay, so here it won't become minus. When you transpose minus into the right hand side, it won't become plus, because so the meaning of this one is nothing but it is not only minus 1, that is the meaning, minus 1 into x. So the coefficient of x is nothing but minus 1. So in front of any letter minus is there means it is not only minus 1. Okay, so minus 1 into x equal to 5. Therefore x equal to 5 divided by minus 1. Okay, 5 divided by minus 1. So after that only it will become minus 5. Okay, so that is the procedure. So if x equal to minus 5, we got x equal to minus 5 when we substituted y equal to 0. So this is another solution. So 0, 2.5 and minus 5, 0 are the two solutions. Now I am going to plot these 2 points in the graph sheet. Okay. So look at the graph sheet now. This is the graph sheet now. So this is x-axis, this is y-axis, already you know that. And this is center point is 0 now. So I am going to plot the point now. What is the first point? The first point is nothing but 0, 2.5. That is x value 0 and y value 2.5. So 0 is here and y value is nothing but 2.5, that is positive, that is plus 2.5. So here 2 is here and 3 is here, so 0.5 is nothing but maybe here in middle. Okay, so this point is nothing but 0, 2.5. Okay, this is the location. And next, what is another point? So another point minus 5, 0. Okay, so x value on x is minus 5 and y is 0. That is abscissa minus 5, ordinate 0. So abscissa minus 5 means here. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So this one. And what is ordinate? 0. So 0 is here. So it will come here only. So this point is nothing but minus 5, 0. Right? So now I plotted the point on the graph side. Next I am going to connect these 2 points by a line segment. Okay, so use scale and connect it. Okay, here I am drawing through the mouse only, so it will come like this. Okay, and just little bit extend the line also. Okay, it will be, if you use scale means it will become a straight line exactly, because now we are drawing graph for linear equation only. So the form of a linear equation always a straight line, otherwise your solution will be wrong. So that's it. If you want to draw the graph for any linear equation, that will in the form of a straight line, not the curve. So after plotting the point, if you connect all the points, it will be straight line definitely. Otherwise, your solution will be wrong, right? And after drawing the graph, just write the equation on the line here. What is the equation here? Minus x plus 2y equal to 5. So that is the equation, minus x plus 2y equal to 5. So just write it on the line. So minus x plus 2y equal to 5. Right? So this is the procedure to draw the graph for the linear equation. Okay. Look at the next example. So y minus 4x equal to 6. Here also we are going to find out minimum 2 solution and then plot it in the graph sheet. Okay. So I am going to take again x equal to 0 here. So that is a easy one. Okay. Take x equal to 0. In another case, take y equal to 0. Okay. So that is a easy to find out the minimum 2 solutions. So x equal to 0. So x equal to 0, what will happen now? So y minus 4 into 0 equal to 6. Okay. So y so this one 4 into 0 is 0 only, so equal to 6. So what is the point now? So x equal to 0 and y equal to 6. Okay, so that is the first point. And second point, I am going to take y equal to 0 here. Okay, so let y equal to 0, what will happen here? So 0 minus So 0 minus 4x equal to 6. Okay, so here 0 is there, so minus 4x equal to 6. Then what is x now? So x equal to 6 divided by minus 4. Okay, now simplify this. Here 3 2's are 6 and 2 2's are 4. Okay, so x equal to minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2, it is not possible to locate on the graph, so that change it into decimal. Okay, that is minus 1.5. Okay, so what is the required solution here? So x value is minus 1.5 and y value is 0. Okay, so ensure that before writing the solution, the x value will be the first one and y value will be the second one. Okay, so now these are the 2 solutions. Now I am going to plot these 2 solutions in the graph sheet as like in the last example. Okay, so first one is 0, 6, right? So this is the graph. So 0 is here and 6 plus 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this will be 0, 6. This is the first point. And what is the next point? Minus 1.5, 0. So x value minus 1.5 and y value 0. So minus 1.5, x value negative value left hand side here. Minus 1.5 means here minus 1, here minus 2. So definitely it will be here. Okay. So minus 1.5, 0. So it will be lie on the line itself. So this position. So this is nothing but minus 1.5, 0. You should write the solution like this. Okay. And then after that, just connect it. So like this. Okay. So just extend a little bit like this. So definitely this will be a straight line. Okay. If you make a scale means, if you use a scale means, definitely it will be a straight line. So just write the solution on the line after that. That is equation. What is the equation here? The equation is y minus 4x equal to 6. So here y minus 4x equal to 6. So that's all. So look at the next example. 2x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. Here also I am going to find out two solutions here. Right? So I am going to put x equal to 0 here. So what will happen? So 2 into 0 plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0, right? So 2 into 0 is nothing but 0. So 4y and just transpose 5 right hand side. So it will become plus 5. Therefore y equal to 5 divided by 4. So when we divide it here, what will happen? So 1 4s are 4, remainder 1. Okay, then 0 here, then 2 4s are 8, remainder 2. And 5 4s are 20. So 1.25. So this is y value. So what is the point here? So x value 0 and y value 1.25. This is the first solution. And for the second solution, I am going to take y equal to 0 here. So y equal to 0. So what will happen here? So 2x plus, so 4 into 0 minus 5 equal to 0. So 4 into 0, 0. So 2x minus 5 equal to 0. So 2x equal to, so this minus 5, when we transpose right hand side, it become plus 5. Therefore x equal to 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 means 2.5. So that is the value of x. Now what is the point here? So x value 2.5, y value 0. Right? So this is another solution. Okay, now I am going to plot this point on the graph. So first one 0, 1.25. So 0 is here and 1.25. So 1 is here. So 1.25 means approximately you can take 1.3. Okay, so 1.3 means it may be here. Okay, that is approximate value only, so not exact. So 0, 1.25. Okay, and the next one, what is the next point? So 2.5, 0. So 2.5, 0. So here 2 is there, 2.5 may be here, and 0 also here. So 2.5, so it may be here. So this one 2.5, 0. Right? So next, connect these two with the straight line. Okay, and just a little bit extend it. Right? So and write the equation on the line. What is the equation here? 2x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. So 2x minus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. Sorry, plus 4y equal to 0. Right? So I think you already have understood how to draw a linear equation on the graph sheet and how to find out the number of linear equations when the solution is given. And suppose if you have any doubt, just to go through the slides once again or just ask me, I will clear it out. Right? So let us meet in the next session. Thank you.